CHEP's business model is inherently sustainable. All timber used for CHEP New Zealand pallets is sourced sustainably from New Zealand forests with full chain of custody certification. Our pallets are carefully manufactured in New Zealand to a highly specific quality, safety and durability standard, honed over 50 years of service to our customers. Each export pallet will be shared, reused and repaired over 30 times in its lifetime within the receiving country. Many businesses, including wineries, pack onto export-grade CHEP pallets. Your product can move on a single platform through the global supply chain from warehouses in New Zealand to the retailers in key markets such as the UK, Europe and North America. Our export pallets can help you navigate better. They streamline delivery of packaging, beverages, retail and consumer goods, creating smart, sustainable, cost-effective supply chains to reliably move export goods from source through to point of sale. After every journey, our export pallets are returned to service centres globally, where dedicated teams inspect, repair and paint our pallets to be reused time and time again. It's kinder on the environment, cutting out waste, saving natural resources, while supporting your goods to arrive in excellent condition. Te akina te taeao, te akina nā tāngata. Looking after our environment, looking after our people, building together a sustainable Aotearoa through better supply chains.